Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you a question before we start. What if I told you that unlocking AI's true potential isn't just about what it can do, but about understanding what it shouldn't do? Imagine wielding a tool so powerful that knowing its limits is essential for responsible use. In the world of artificial intelligence, every new advancement opens up incredible possibilities, and let's be real, a few hidden challenges too. It's like exploring uncharted territory. Exciting, but you need to watch your step. As AI technologies advance at lightning speed, the opportunities for innovation are practically endless. But here's the catch: with great power comes great responsibility. We have to embrace what AI can do for us while being mindful of its limitations and the ethical questions it raises. So today, I want to dive into finding that sweet spot between innovation and ethics in AI. We'll explore recognizing AI's limitations, tackling ethical challenges head-on, and using AI to empower responsible decision-making. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to use AI more effectively, but also how to lead the way in shaping an ethical AI future. First off, let's get something straight. Artificial intelligence is like a double-edged sword. It has tremendous potential for good, but can cause harm if mishandled. Recognizing its limitations isn't about slowing down progress. It's about guiding it in a direction that benefits everyone. By cultivating ethical awareness, we can prevent misuse, build trust, enhance effectiveness, and lead responsibly. AI is amazing, but it's not infallible. Here are some key limitations to keep in mind. First, contextual understanding. AI might misinterpret nuanced language or cultural references, leading to inaccuracies. Second, data bias. If AI learns from biased data, it can perpetuate inequality or unfairness. And third, the lack of moral judgment. AI doesn't have ethical intuition unless we program it that way, so human oversight is crucial. By understanding these boundaries, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions and ensure AI serves as a beneficial tool rather than causing unintended harm. Let me give you a real-world example. A financial institution implemented an AI model to streamline loan approvals. Sounds great, right? But here's what happened. Qualified applicants from certain demographics were unjustly denied loans. The institution faced lawsuits alleging discrimination, and trust in the organization eroded, hurting customer relationships. The kicker? The root cause wasn't malicious intent. It was a lack of awareness about the AI's limitations, specifically biased training data. To rectify the situation, the institution reviewed its data sources, implemented bias detection protocols, and retrained their AI model. This example highlights why neglecting ethical considerations can have serious, tangible consequences. So, how do we navigate this ethical landscape effectively? Here are some practical steps to consider. First, self-education is key. Dive into resources on AI ethics to deepen your understanding. Read articles, books, and case studies on topics like bias, privacy, and accountability. Second, reflective practice. Regularly think about the ethical implications of how you're using AI. Now let's talk about implementation. Data privacy is paramount. Make sure any personal or sensitive information you input into AI platforms is handled securely. Anonymize data when possible and comply with data protection regulations. Bias mitigation is also crucial. Be vigilant about potential biases in your inputs and outputs. Use diverse and representative datasets, and critically evaluate AI-generated content. And remember, transparency matters. Be open about your use of AI, especially with clients or collaborators. Clearly indicate when AI has contributed to content or decisions. Community engagement is another important aspect. Always maintain a human-in-the-loop approach for critical decisions. Implement review processes where AI outputs are evaluated by humans before deployment. Establish an accountability framework to define who is responsible for AI-driven actions within your projects. Engage with the AI community by joining forums or groups focused on AI ethics. Share experiences and strategies for responsible AI use. Let's put this into context with some scenarios. Imagine a company uses AI to screen job applications. Here are some ethical concerns that may arise. There could be bias in selection, where the AI might favor candidates similar to those in existing data, leading to a lack of diversity. Transparency is also a concern, as applicants might not know that AI is part of the selection process. And privacy issues come into play, as handling personal data requires adherence to data protection laws. To mitigate these concerns, train the AI on varied datasets to minimize bias, inform candidates about AI involvement, and implement robust data security measures. Now, let's consider an online retailer that uses AI to manage customer inquiries. Here are some ethical concerns. Misinterpretation of nuanced customer issues can lead to frustration. Impersonal interactions may lack human empathy, and data security is crucial, as conversations may include sensitive information that needs protection. To address these concerns, combine AI efficiency with human support for complex cases. Train AI to recognize emotional cues and respond appropriately, and ensure data is secured to protect customer privacy. Finally, let's look at a medical facility using AI for diagnostic support. Ethical concerns include reliability, as incorrect diagnoses due to AI errors can have severe consequences. Consent is another issue, as patients might not be aware of AI's role in their care. Responsibility becomes unclear if AI recommendations lead to adverse outcomes. To mitigate these risks, rigorously test AI accuracy before deployment, ensure patients understand and agree to AI involvement, and establish clear guidelines for AI use and human oversight. These scenarios highlight some common themes. Bias and fairness are essential to address in any AI application. Transparency builds trust and allows for informed participation. Accountability clarifies roles and responsibilities, ensuring ethical standards are met. Let's take a moment here. Think about your own experiences with AI ethics. Have you ever encountered a situation where ethical considerations were overlooked? Share your thoughts in the comments. Embracing ethical AI use is an ongoing journey. Here are some strategies to integrate ethical considerations into your daily practice. Develop a personal ethical framework by setting clear principles. Define the values guiding your AI use, like fairness, transparency, and respect for privacy. Regularly assess your practices to ensure they align with your principles. Foster a culture of ethics by engaging your team. Encourage open discussions about AI ethics and provide resources and learning opportunities on responsible AI use. Utilize AI mindfully by customizing settings to reflect ethical preferences, such as filtering out sensitive topics. Implement feedback mechanisms to report any concerning outputs to contribute to the AI's improvement. Stay informed and adaptable. Monitor developments in new regulations, guidelines, and technological advancements in AI ethics. Be prepared to adjust your practices as ethical standards evolve. Harnessing AI's potential comes with the duty to use it wisely. By integrating ethical considerations into our use of AI, we contribute to a future where technology serves as a force for good. Understanding limitations enhances our ability to innovate responsibly, and by prioritizing ethics, we set a standard for others to follow, influencing the broader AI community. As pioneers in an era defined by artificial intelligence, the choices we make today resonate far beyond our individual actions. By navigating the ethical frontier with intention and care, we ensure that AI remains a tool that enriches humanity. To recap the action steps, cultivate ethical awareness, implement responsible use, engage in community dialogue, and stay proactive in your approach. To quote B.F. Skinner, the real question is not whether machines think, but whether humans do. As we continue our journey with AI, let this wisdom guide us. Technology amplifies our capabilities, but it's our choices that define its impact. If we use AI thoughtfully, we'll not only achieve our goals, but also help shape a future where innovation and ethics walk hand in hand. So, are you ready to lead the way in ethical AI use? The path is open, and the future is ours to shape. Thanks for watching, and let's continue this conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more discussions on AI and ethics. See you next time.